What's up, guys? We're gonna be making delicious chocolate chip cookies. Chewy double chocolate chip cookies recipe, and we'll show you how to make them. Okay, Kimmy, what is the first step?
1 1/8 cups of butter. So that's 2 sticks and 2 tablespoons. Well, that's the first thing you do.
Oh yeah, and
2 tablespoons.
yeah, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. In the microwave? Or in the oven? Where is it?
It's in the fridge.
Melted.
It's not melted.
No,
Oh.
it's supposed to be soft.
Oh, I thought you melted it.
No, it's fine.
So 2 tablespoons, you just clobber them up.
That was way too much. Okay.
That's a tablespoon.
You was like streaking it out.
Well, fine, I'll put a tiny bit more then.
Yeah, like that.
2 cups of sugar. So 1 cup of white sugar
2 cups
and then brown.
You don't have to do that, but you can if you
It makes it healthier. Where's the brown sugar? Okay, here it is. Here's the directions if you want to make it. Just take a screenshot of it. Okay.
There's something wrong with this brush.
Kimmy, what's taking so long?
It's hard.
Here, we'll just put.
And
We
then
need sugar.
eggs.
Oh, this is what
Happy
Grace wrote.
Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day. To
350.
350. Okay. 2 tipped. 2 teaspoons of vanilla. 2 lids. Oh, teaspoons.
Those are the lids of it.
No, it says 2. Oh.
You can never add too much
extra.
vanilla, you know.
Okay.
2 cups of flour.
Well, actually, you don't add it like that.
add
You
it
mix that stuff first.
Oh, you're right. Okay, so then you stir it up.
Wait, does it need some?
No? Now, we're gonna add the 3/4 cup of cocoa. 3. Okay. Okay. Add
You stir it and then add more, right?
baking soda
And salt.
and salt. You sure this is baking soda?
Yes.
That's
Okay, can you put
more.
1 teaspoon of baking soda?
Are you sure?
Yes, 1 teaspoon.
Okay.
1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully these are good because we're posting this. And hopefully you guys use the recipe.
You have flour on your cheek.
Me? This could be the thumbnail.
Actually,
touched
liquid, that's disgusting.
No, on accident. Okay.
We're gonna cook it
2 cups of flour. Wait. Yeah.
there. Now,
Good.
Yeah, you said that way.
Wait.
Oh, the spatula. You broke it.
you already said it tastes like diabetes.
Diabetes. Actually, no, that's actually super good. Okay, now you're gonna put it in. Cyrus, you just put it in the oven for 8 through 9 minutes, right, Kimmy?
Yep.
I said Kimmy.
I know. but-
Yeah, 8 to 9 minutes.
Okay, channel's famous.
No, it's
Subscribe, by the way, because this is hard work. So you have to subscribe.
Yeah, because it has 2.8 grams per 1 cookie of protein.
Yeah, it's a lot.
Anyone wanna have some? Thanks a lot. Now I'm gonna
See, I eat these every day. That's why I'm so buff. If you didn't notice, who wants this? I bet you guys want it. You know, yeah. It actually looks disgusting. So, you want it?
Yeah, because Dylan didn't try hard enough. He was just.
What do you mean they don't look right?
They look flat-ish.
Look how puffy they are. They're like 4
No,
inches.
they'll be flat.
Taste test. 5, 10 stars. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you use the recipe because it's delicious. Happy Valentine's Day. Peace out.